Friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Friends, let's continue from the last video. We tried to understand about the list of documents we use in the quality assurance department in automobile industries in India, and what are the basic use of that documents to control the quality from beginning to the production of final goods, final quality products. So in that line of, the first document we use in quality assurance, that is the raw material inspection standard. A standard means something that we make a standard for our product, for the product requirements, and then we purchase any raw material from the outside supplier with respect to that standard. If that purchased material qualifies our standard, then the material is gets received by the receiving department, and then they issue that raw material into the production departments in plants. So in last video, the basic introduction that I gave to you guys about the raw material inspection standard. Now in this video I have filled this format. How do we fill, and what are the things we need to understand to filling that documents is, let's understand. The first one is customer. I have already mentioned some of the customers names in India in automobile industries that you guys must be knowing. These are the leading automobile industries in India, especially in NCR region, that is the Gurugram, IMT Manesars and Faridabad. These are the industries situated in IMT Manesars in Gurgaon. So the first of all, here I have mentioned about the like Mrs. Sanveem customers names. There are different customer names that I have mentioned. Some of I have mentioned, and you may mention as per your company's customers name, like Sunbeam, Roop Auto, Mrs. Zetect, Hella, Hero, Maruti, and whatever. Then the second one is, like for example, the first one is Mrs. Sunbeam. Then we provide them sealing ring. Sealing ring is a product that is used for the seal the any product for any leakage, and this is the basic awareness about the sealing rings. I am not going to discuss here in detail because this is the actual applications of parts. You will get to know in future as per your company's part name. So I here discussing about the raw material inspection standard. How do we fill this document? Then we mention the 2341 part number of that sealing ring. In order to that, the what kind of material we use as per the engineering drawing received from the customer, and that is like CR2 I have mentioned here. Just for example, it's all things are for example. This is not the correct actual, because I cannot tell you the actual customer's name, actual product, because this may be the copyright. So I am taking here just for an example to understand you guys. So here CR2, that CR2 I have already discussed in the previous videos. Like this is the grade of material, that is the cold rolled. Second grade, like deep drawing, DD stand for deep drawing, that I have already discussed with you guys. Then the second one is, it's a OD. OD is basically for the tubular parts, like cylindrical parts, and if there is a seats, then you can tell the same thing about the width of a strip, and the ID, that is the inner diameter, and for that you can say that length, height, whatever. So I have mentioned there dimension like 50 is to 50 by 1200, 60 by 190, and this is the list of things that you can give as per your parts requirement. Then the next one is appearance. Appearance is that I have already discussed in last videos also. It's a something that outlook from the naked eyes. You can see any product that such defects is there any kinds of these defects, then the parts is rejected, and that raw material is also rejected. You can reject that raw material and you have to return that material to the supplier. You will not receive with these defects, because if you are going to receive any raw material from the supplier with these defects, then your products will be defected, and so that your rejection percentage will be increased. So you can eliminate these appearances like burr, rust. There should not be burr, rust, scratches, dents, bend, peel off, pinholes, seat fittings. These are the defects in sheet metal. Especially I'm here taking example of sheet metals. Same some of the examples in rubber fields, moldings fields, plastic molded and other casting material, there are different defects. So in today's video, I try to understand how do we feel the raw material inspection standard, and I hope you guys have understood this standard. This is the first document we use in quality assurance in automobile industries in India. I hope you guys understood these documents. In next video, I will try to give you the practical awareness about the next other documents. I hope you guys have understood. If there is any inquiries you want, then I clear that inquiries in your comment box. So please let me know. Alright, thank you very much.